Elizabeth Hill has already delivered the grades. Now development studies are approaching. Are we starting to see this project transition from a high-grade exploration story into something much bigger?
It is transitioning to bigger. It's one of my key KPIs to actually grow us from a small 141,000 tonne silver-rich resource at 617 gram per tonne to something that's much larger that investors would want to buy into. So we've got that piece that is a focus for us, and that's the development piece. The low-grade drilling that we found this year increased the size based on the drilling results we've seen so far. For this type of deposit, which is a pure silver deposit, there's very little lead and zinc associated with this. We have to do the exploration at the same time as we are doing the development work to get the mining studies going, to look at the economics and how big we can get Elizabeth Hill. And we've got some pretty good targets that we're looking at in H2 2026 and 2027.
So just how close is Elizabeth Hill to becoming a genuine development story rather than purely an exploration play?
We are now prepped to get the geotechnical, metallurgical, scoping studies going, mineral resource updates, to get to a point where we can actually say this is the best path for processing, whether that's toll treatment, a small to scale plant on site, or whether it's going to be direct shipping or another option. We've got an MOU with Artemis to look at refurbishing their plant at Radio Hill. It's a very big plant. The economics of the project will determine the pathway there and whether we pursue that or are in partnership with somebody else to realise that particular dream. There are other persons or companies approaching us with regards to opportunities to toll treat or simply buy our ore and send through to their plant. So the scoping study will give us that pathway, which will give our investors the best free cash flow and return on investment from the project.